Good morning, Miva. Yes, Monday morning, April 6th, just coming off a weekend. I hope your weekend was great and that you did some fun things and got around at least inside. I know this is still at a little bit of an impasse here, keeping everybody in and safe. And well, we can see what happens, but let's keep this going, right? Want to make sure that we're safe. All right, our quote of the day: when centenarians are asked to divulge secrets to their longevity, they invariably mention two factors: good genes and healthy living. Well, the genes you don't have much control over, but certainly healthy living you do. So give that some try, all right? Get some healthy living habits going, like we were talking about in chat, and oatmeal in the morning. That's one of those things that could work for you. Okay, great. Next up, well, today is National Carbonara Day. On April 6th, enjoy the flavors of Italy and celebrate National Carbonara Day. If you love Italian food, pasta, or just enjoy cooking, this food holiday challenges you to put your best recipe to the test. Purists turn up their noses at bacon and others debate cheeses. However, adding the right amount of seasoning, the best pasta, and garlic seems to make or break this delicious dish too. No matter how you make your carbonara, get in on this taste test. Or better yet, order up a plate at your favorite Italian restaurant to go. Then dive into a heaping plate of creamy, indulgent carbonara to celebrate. Okay, that's what our day is today, so make up some pasta if you can. All right, this day in science. Okay, so I chose the last 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. They seemed a little more interesting. Today's was something about black holes, and we talk about black holes every so often, so I thought, well, let's try this one instead. All right, so in 2016, bouncy metallic glass is invented. Engineers from the University of Southern California announced the invention of a new type of metallic glass that is simultaneously hard and elastic. Experts say that the material is formed from powdered iron composite and possesses the greatest impact resistance of any glass ever invented. So here's a little picture of that happening, right? So this is the glass, and it breaks because of the way that the molecules are kind of put together, but over here it bounces. These little balls will bounce. All right, in 2017, carbon nanotubes demonstrate self-assembly. This is kind of cool. Researchers from the University of Groningen published their observations on the ability of carbon nanotubes to self-assemble into transistors when placed under the correct circumstances. Scientists say that by using a solution to automatically bind the tubes to polymers, they can circumvent the prohibitive delicacy of manually arranging tiny components. All right, so nanotechnology is moving on. All right, this day in history on April 6th, the modern Olympics began in Athens with 8 nations participating. And of course, the Olympics was in the news not too long ago because the Japanese have decided they're going to postpone it for 1 year. It's still going to be held in Japan, but in 2021. So that was quite something that hasn't really been done much since, I guess, one of the world wars. And then in 1909, Americans Robert Peary and Matthew Henson became the first men to reach the North Pole. And I'm told by my family that I'm a distant relative of Robert Peary on my father's side. So kind of interesting. In 1917, the United States declares war on Germany and enters World War I on the Allied side. So a picture of Congress getting together to declare that. And of course, a photo and a newspaper, U.S. declaring war. Kind of cut it off a little bit there, but that's the gist of it. So that's our day in history on April 6th. All right, here's a promo for Ms. Valley's new club that she's forming. Stuck at home? Why not travel the world without leaving your house? So calling all potential VTCs, if you're interested in joining the virtual travel clubbers, please email Ms. Valley at vvalley@mainvirtual.org. And when you email, please include what she's been asking for, which of the day and time options for the club is best for you. It's either Mondays, Thursdays, or Fridays there. Or what other countries would you like to see us tour? You can start thinking about that too. So, yeah, nice to have the elf back, huh? Right. All right, so that is it for our morning assembly today. Enjoy your advisor time. Make it a great day. And, of course, do a fist pump with a cat if you can do it. All right, take care, everybody. Bye-bye now.